Good morning, this is Amos of Amos Interviews Consult. I'm here to show you how to promote your CPA offers using Instagram. Instagram is a social media site like Facebook where you can get thousands of traffic to your business, to your offers, to your links and all that. So to use Instagram to promote your offers, you need to have a CPA account as an affiliate ready on a CPA network that has huge selection of mobile offers. I'm using Max Bansory right here. You can see here my names and you can see my earnings and all that I have for now on the site. So what I mean by mobile offers, this is an example of a mobile offer, and this is SOI. SOI means single opt-in offer. So single opt-in, which is the form, it can be an email, it can be a zip. This kind of offer is best for Instagram, Facebook, whereby user only need to input their email or their zip, and on completed submission, you get paid. So now to go further, you get to create up to 5 accounts on Instagram website. Don't ever use your personal Instagram account. Create a new Instagram account. Get new email addresses. If you don't have any spare email to register your accounts, get new email address. You can go for Gmail, Yahoo, just get any working email account and enter here your name. Here should be your offer name. In this video, I'll be showing you how you'll be promoting iPhone X sweepstakes on Instagram. So now, after typing in here, you just enter your password and complete the sign up process. So you're going to confirm your accounts by confirming your email address and all that. That's why you'll be needing a valid email address, so you'll be able to confirm your email address and receive notifications and all that about your Instagram account. So the next thing for you to upload a profile picture to your Instagram account. Make it look real. Don't just open your Instagram account and leave the picture or profile picture section blank, no description, nothing, just like that. Don't leave it blank, or else your profile will be there for years. You won't get one single followers. So to make your account grow fast, you must make your account look real by uploading a profile picture, something like this. Then over here should be your nickname. For instance, we're not using any nickname or username over here. We are using your offer name, which is iPhone X sweepstakes. So you'll be needing the description after your profile picture and your username. You'll be needing the description. The description should be about the offer you're promoting. So, and what are you promoting? You're promoting iPhone X sweepstakes. So over here, come over here to write something like this: participating to the iPhone X sweepstakes, you have the chance to win an iPhone of your choice. As simple as that. Now, if this information, this description is not enough for you, you can go over to the site. To the site. This site is a German website, so you can go over to the site or just search for sites that has more info about iPhone X promotion. Just get some of the description that you can use, and it's not too lengthy and all that. Just copy it and paste it on your description section of your Instagram new account. Now the next section is the link section. The link will be your CPA offer link, but don't paste in your direct link there. Get a domain name and redirect your domain name. Get a new domain name and redirect it to your CPA offer link. Now, to get a cheap domain name, go over to namecheap.com. Namecheap, that is NAMECHEAP.com. Namecheap.com or 1and1.com. That is number 1 and1.com. You can get cheap domain on those two sites, 0.88 cents. You can get cheap domain, 0.99 cents, $1. You can get cheap domain that's going to last you for 1 year. Now you get to redirect the domain to your CPA offer link. If you can do the redirection, just contact their support team or the customer care section to help you redirect your new domain to your offer link. So your new domain name is what you'll be using on your Instagram account. That's what you're going to save on that link section of your Instagram account. And make sure you test your domain name before saving it on your Instagram account. Make sure it redirects correctly to your CPA offer. Now, after doing all that, the next is to get traffic to your CPA offer. Getting traffic on Instagram to your CPA offers is very easy. It's pretty simple. What you only need is just to search for iPhone X sweepstakes. If your offer is Win Samsung Galaxy, search for Win Samsung Galaxy. So just search for what your offer is all about. You're going to see different accounts on Instagram about your offer. Start following it gradually. Make sure you follow up to 500 accounts daily. Make sure you keep following it up to 500 accounts daily. That's why I said you're going to spend up to an hour. So let me summarize the things you'll be needing to successfully earn $50 to $100 per day using Instagram to promote your CPA offers. Number 1, you need 5 Instagram accounts. Number 2, you need to register on the CPA network, which is Max Bounty, your other CPA network that has mobile offers. Number 3 is have an iPhone or Android phone. Have a good iPhone or an Android phone. Number 4 is just an hour to set up. That's all. So to get the traffic to your CPA offer is as easy as that. So your photo should be a very good photo of iPhone X. If you're promoting iPhone X, go over to Google and search for iPhone X photo. Do not use a photo that has watermark or signature or a stamp on it. Use a real picture, something like this that has no signature, no watermark, or just something like that on the picture, and make sure the picture is very sharp and clear. Now we've talked about the URL section, we've talked about the description section and all that. So now the name and description. I explain some things on my blog. I'm going to give you my blog URL. You're going to go over to my blog and read everything carefully. If this video is not explanatory enough for you, go over to my blog and read more about promoting your CPA offer using Instagram. Now your name and description should have symbols, emoji symbols, to make your account stand out, both in the name field and description. So when you write your name field, your username, your offer name, just inserting an emoji that's gonna make your account look stand out and all that from other accounts. So like you use the green check mark emoji to give the appearance of a verified account, or iPhone emojis to help it stand out more. For the description, I usually would give people basic instructions for the offer. Click the link and enter your email address, etc. Be creative here too. So just know what to chip in on that section. And if you are still finding it difficult, just chat with me on Skype or send a mail to me to ask your questions and all that. And you can ask your questions on the comment section below this video. Now, getting traffic to the offer, search for an account related to the offer you're promoting. If you're promoting iPhone X sweepstakes, search for that name on Instagram. Search for iPhone X sweepstakes, or search for iPhone X, or search for iPhone. So just search for those 3 words: iPhone, iPhone X, or iPhone X sweepstakes. Just for those 3 names on Instagram. You're going to see a different account, a lot of accounts. Just start adding them. Add up to 500 or more per day. And now, after adding those 500, after following those 500, make sure you follow the followers to get more targeted traffic. Make sure you follow the followers of those accounts you first followed at first. Let me explain it better. Search for the name iPhone X. After searching for it, you must have seen the result displayed for that account. Now follow those accounts, those iPhone X, iPhone results displayed for your search. Follow those accounts. Follow them. Follow up to like 500 accounts or more. Follow it, and after following those accounts, now look on those accounts. Now start following the followers. The followers of the main accounts are following. Now start following the followers, because they are the ones that are going to click on your link. The followers are the ones that are going to click on your link. They are the real targeted followers you are needing from your new Instagram account. So now start following the followers of your first follower, which is the first person you followed. Now follow all of them and start doing it per day. Start doing it per day. It might take you up to 1 hour or 1.5 hours or 2 hours to follow the followers of your of the people you search for at first. Now doing all this per day will get you in enough followers within 2 to 3 weeks and 1 month, doing it per day. So and by getting more followers, there's a huge probability of you getting conversions. Start getting conversions on your MaxBati account. You can see this over here is just $1 per lead. So if you can get up to 30 conversions per day, from there you can rise up to 50 conversions per day, 100 conversions. You can start earning $50 to $100 per day. And always let your account be lively. Always be friendly. Whenever you make a post on your Instagram account, make sure you are very friendly. You make accounts very friendly and accessible. Just interact with people, people commenting on your post and all that. So all that will engage. And if you have a video of your offer, get a video of iPhone X, just upload it on your account and just chip in your domain, that is going to your CPA farm. Just chip in your domain name under the video. Video engages more people. I've noticed online people love to watch videos on the internet, so video engages more people. That is what is helping me on my Facebook account, on one of my Facebook fan pages. I call that method Facebook Rewards Formula. That method is helping me very well. Whenever you post videos, people love to watch videos, so always get a nice video to promote your offers, either Facebook, Instagram, or just any social media site. And don't use a copyrighted video. Make sure the video is stand out. And you can make a video. If you cannot make a video, you can contact me or go over to Fiverr to make a good video, a short video that is not too lengthy, and let it be the video that is going to promote your offer very well, and not a video that is boring. Let the video be very intriguing, very interesting and all that. So the more people get engaged to your post and all that, the more conversions you're going to get from Instagram. So I believe with this explanation, with this step-by-step guide I've given you on promoting your offers using Instagram, you've learned how you can start earning from Instagram using getting earnings on your CPA offers using Instagram account. So basically, the third step basically concludes the method itself. Now it's up to you to duplicate it. Just remember, only 5 accounts for IP address. Do not go more than that. Let me remind you that only 5 accounts for one IP address. When I mean IP address, internet protocol. So don't go more than 5 accounts for IP address. If you want to make more, use more proxies or buy more accounts. We have people selling Instagram accounts and all that. So use more proxy or buy more accounts. We have different proxies and all that. So if you want to go more than 5 accounts, of which is better if you can go more than 5 accounts, but you aren't allowed to create more than 5 accounts on one IP address. So though personally, I think if you are going to put that much effort into anything, dream a bit bigger with something more long term. But you can easily automate this method by hiring someone on Elance or Odex to follow people with your account for you. So if you know this is something that is very difficult or hard for you to do, just get someone on Elance or Odex to follow people with your account for you. It's as simple as that. And if you can get enough followers, I can assure you 100% you're going to start earning on your account. This kind of offer is going to fetch you enough income from Instagram if you can have enough followers on your account. I can assure you that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all. Subscribe to my channel. Read about how to promote CPA offers on Instagram on my blog. You're going to see the link below this video and to learn how to promote it.